Hey everyone, hope you are well. Today the video is for automation learners and for tutoring companies. So you assume you have 50 tutors and multiple students are under that, and let's say there is one-on-one coaching your tutor is giving to a student, and student is absent, he cancel the event. Let's say we are using Calendly for managing the meeting or classes, and student cancel the event. You want to update the data in database automatically, and also want to send a reminder to your student, to your teacher or tutor as well. So here is the automation for you. We have a trigger to watch events from Calendly. We can use other calendar as well. Then we have a filter, like if the status is cancelled, like there is a new event update and the status is cancelled, only that case it will proceed and get the data of the event through this module. And then we are searching that in the Airtable database. We can use Google Sheet as well or any other database, but yeah, this was the client demand. So if the data is found, if the booking is found, then we are updating the item in Webflow as well. But yeah, this is not the scenario case. This cannot be a scenario case in your process maybe. But yeah, we are sending the email through SendGrid to the tutor, like the event is cancelled, student is not available, so schedule another meeting or something like that. But yeah, this is a simple and cool automation. Your process may be a little different or maybe a more different. You can add more modules, replace modules, like add direct Gmail module here for sending the email or any other tool. And if you need my help, just ping me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail. I am always here to help you. Thank you.